Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mike Cosmic Creations. Just want to go over a video real quick showing off a motorcycle kit that I do. I've been doing a lot more of these here recently. This particular one is a 12 count strip kit. It comes with 2 inline splitter amplifiers and a controller. It's waterproof, Bluetooth, smartphone controlled, so no more keychains or flat credit card remotes you lose, sit on, get stolen, or can't figure out which pattern or color you want because you kind of got to flip through a billion options to get to the favorite one you like. But this is just kind of showing off the strips. This is our 96 count. We've got these in 144s also, which means 96 LEDs per meter or 144 LEDs per meter. So a lot more than what you're going to find with your traditional kits that are sold on eBay or Amazon. Your resellers on different websites that all sell the cheap Chinese, the 60 count. WS2011, dime a dozen, bottom of the barrel, just garbage LEDs. This is going to be much brighter. You still got your 3M VHB adhesive on the back, so really bright set. We've done a bunch of these lately, like I said, a couple road glides, street glides, and trike here recently. But anyway, if you're interested, shoot me a message and get you a price on one after I get some information from you to see what we're going to build, because all this stuff is custom made. But anyway, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.